Then we'll go left, please. Look at all the potential hazards you can see.
The kids. Stay there.
That's it.
I'm a learner.
And follow the road ahead for me, please.
Nice. It remembers me of my childhood. When I used to play a lot outside.
Yeah, nice. No problems, no responsibilities.
Yeah. I didn't know what money was.
No,
Kitty.
you didn't need to know.
I don't know why that seemed wrong first when I saw it.
Yeah. Let's take the next turning on the right for me, please.
Is that unmarked thing, yeah?
That's right, that's correct. Right. Look into the road you're driving into, just in case there's a problem coming down towards you. There we go.
How do people live here? How they get their car out?
Practice. That's all it is. Practice, practice, practice. Crossroads coming up. We're going straight ahead of the crossroads.
I don't know. I actually know this road. I hate this road. It used to take me to the factory.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh my god. It's fun.
We'll take the next turning on the right for me, please. And just as you go around the corner, come to a stop for me.
Just as I'm going, yeah?
Just over there, yeah, by that green bit.
Oh,
Stop there for me. I'd like you to drive forwards into any bay of your choice, please.
and it's sure.
Forwards Bay Park.
Okay, I'm going. I'm
Right.
driving.
Can I give you a little tip? Which one are you thinking of going, left or right?
I'm going on the left. You see the white thing? There is something.
Okay, yeah,
There.
a bit of rubbish on the floor
Yeah.
there, okay?
There
Now,
are.
you know that tyre on that side over there?
Yeah.
Make it go over the line and back in, okay?
So I have to be a bit forward.
Yeah, that's it. There's a
that's-
car waiting to come in. Pop your left indicator on, start moving. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. Don't rush, no. Super slow. No.
No. Okay. Okay. Slowly.
Just went a little bit too far. It doesn't matter. Stay here. Now then,
I'm okay, actually. Okay, it's
you're
fine.
not in the bay.
It's okay like that. Should we reverse straight? And
Let's just wait for this car behind to park
of
up
course,
first.
Of course.
Yeah. It's gone. He's still doing his manoeuvre behind us, so we'll just give him time. You haven't finished yet.
I haven't.
Now then, how are you going to readjust?
As
you
you
can do it your
said.
way or the easy way.
Your easy way. Okay, I'm just gonna back up and.
That's
just
extra straighten the steering wheel up for me. That's
Okay.
enough. There we go. Pop into reverse gear. Watch the kids. See the kids?
Yeah.
There we go. Ease off. Look. Super slow. 0.0001 mile an hour. Keep looking everywhere. Keep looking
Kids,
everywhere.
where the kids go?
Super slow. 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 That's it. Keep looking everywhere. There we go. Keep looking everywhere. Get as close to that car as you dare. Okay, about there. Stop there. Now then, you can see your bay. Yeah? All you got to do is drive into that now.
The easy way.
That's it. That's the easy way of doing it. Yeah. Not going all the way back over there and starting from scratch.
Yeah, that's the easiest way.
See, there we go. You're one minor for a readjustment. Take the back of the car that way for me.
Oh, that way, yeah.
Yeah, because we need to head out that way.
Okay.
So that's another Forwards Bay Park we've done. Observations, yeah?
The kids went away, yeah?
Yes, they've went away.
Just want to make sure.
That's it.
Okay.
You never know where the kids are.
Yeah. I just wanted to make sure they're not behind.
Yeah. And we go left here, please.
Left.
You poke the camera then. Left at the end of the road.
Okay. That was better.
Yeah, nice.
And easier anyway.
And we'll turn left at the crossroads.
Okay, left here, yeah?
Correct.
I bet my examiner. Is he gonna answer if I said, oh, left here?
If he's giving you directions, he can. You can ask him to
Oh, okay. I was gonna
the
wait,
directions
but-
again. No, it's okay. He's got somewhere to go. Maybe he lives there. Who knows? Maybe that's where he was going anyway. Looks like it.
Just make sure he's going straight. Yeah, okay, you're going straight. Okay.
Follow the road round to the right for me, please. That's lots of looking
Kids.
everywhere.
If there are bikes on the floor, make sure, 100% sure.
They could run between those cars at any moment, eh? So there's nothing wrong in a situation like this. 5-6 miles an hour, it's not a problem.
There's something coming. I've seen it. I think it was a kid. Yeah, I was right. In the car.
Wow. Look at that.
Is the father or what?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Way to go, boy. Sorry. I saw the wheels under the car.
Yes, good.
Oh my god.
So
Can't
we'll take
imagine.
the next turning left for me, please. A big junction now, turning left.
Okay, here. That's nice and wide. Okay.
It's a nice junction, this one, an easy junction.
It was easy if there weren't car park. We're gonna stay there, as you see.
So, just have a little look. You assess the situation. There we go.
Yes, okay, fair enough. As long as you left us some
Yeah.
space.
Just stop the car and have a conversation.
Why not? Why didn't you park somewhere? I'm like, he's gonna stay. Okay. That's a good thing because I'm gonna take my daughter to school after I take my license.
Yes.
Good practice
Yeah.
on this road.
So we're going to go left at the end of the road, please.
Seems like she was mad.
Then we're turning right.
Right.
Being on the extra strong lager.
Oh, yeah. People. I need to get a drink actually. I haven't had. Oh my god, they are big. I don't wanna. This.
Ideally, going over speed humps, you slow it down before the speed hump and go over it 8 to 10 miles an hour without any brakes and without any gas.
Oh my days.
And let it roll over. Gives the suspension time
Yeah,
to go up and down, left and right,
to absorb the shock.
in and out.
Oh my god, this is really big. was nice and gentle.